Hey, this is Michael WBX123 here, and before you watch this video, I would honestly appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content, such as review, unboxing, playtest, how-to videos, and much more. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Hey, this is Michael WBX123 here, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Nike Phantom Vision Elite in the Always Forward Pack colorway. So yeah, let's get on with the unboxing.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there.
So yeah, that was the Nike Phantom Vision Elite in the Always Forward Pack colorway. So yeah, 1 out of 10, I give this maybe a 7, or like, yeah, a 7. The only reason why is that it looks good from this side, right? Well, in my opinion, it looks good from this side. But like when you go to the other side and you see this big triangle, like, I don't know, it's just not my taste really. Like, this kind of looks awful to me, but this looks pretty good to me. So yeah, please like and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching.